A video a day keeps the doctor away. Welcome to another video where we'll be talking about how to make a business plan. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're one of the people that subscribed because of my previous video, the first video of the series, Should I Start a Business? Which concludes some of the excuses people make in order to not start a business or to postpone it as long as possible, or just excuses to be lazy, or maybe some excuses are viable, I don't know. But the thing I do know is that I am posting daily again. We had a video on Friday, on Saturday, and on Monday, which is today. So it's basically daily, right? Yeah. So if you want to follow the series, make sure you click that subscribe button and click that bell notifications button so you do not miss out on any of the videos. And you make sure that you watch them exactly when I upload them, or if you're asleep, maybe if you go to the toilet, see the click bell notification, you can still watch it. I don't mind. It's good. And also make sure you smash that like on this video, because this is very important for me, for my videos to go into that recommended box, that beautiful universe of YouTube recommended box, which is basically aka the rabbit hole, and it's actually a dark place there. Maybe that metaphor was kind of stupid. But let's go right into the video. So we'll be making a business plan, and keep in mind that it might not be perfect because I'm writing it on the go. So I'm firing up my iPad Pro and we'll choose a business and we'll do the steps you need to follow in order to see if this business is viable and how you can scale it and start it. So the first thing you should know is that my writing is worse than a 4-year-old who never tried to write before. So it might not be perfect, but you get the general idea. So first we have a business. Let's say it will be a cosmetic business. Why? First of all, when you choose a business niche, you have to know the pros and cons of that business niche. First off, the thing about cosmetics is you have huge margins. With margin is the difference between the price it costs you to make something and the price you sell it for, or your profit. But because of these huge margins, you can expect huge competition. So in order to battle that competition, what makes you stand out? Your marketing and your product. But people will never know your product if they do not know about your marketing. So the first thing you have to know after you know the niche, is what are the legal procedures for your country. After you know the legal procedure for your country, in this case a cosmetic business, you can actually get an accountant to do that and a lawyer to help you start a company. Sometimes an accountant can do the whole thing, and it costs, in my country, around $300. I don't know about yours, maybe you have an online way to do it which is even cheaper, but in my country it's $300. So that's things first. Then, if it's a cosmetic business, the best way to market is door to door. This is the best way, but it's the most expensive because you literally gotta pay $5, $3, $10, $15, $20 an hour to a professional salesman to go door to door. An alternative to that is flyers with the option of the salesman talking and getting into conversations. But that's something that he won't do. So the best way for you to scale at start is first you gotta get a website. You probably get a WooCommerce one or Shopify. So with someone setting it up for you, if you wanted someone to set it up for you, it will be $500. You have a website. Does this mean you have sales? No, you won't. What you need to have on your website is traffic, or people coming to your website. How will you get that traffic? First thing is SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, which means Google, which is the main search engine recommends your video. When someone types cosmetic product for my hair, you pop up on as highest place as possible. Good SEO to optimize your website, if it's around 50 pages, will cost around $20 per page or $1,000 to optimize it. And then the first few months to get recognized by Google, you want someone to make an article for you every single day, which might cost around $15. It's around $15 on Fiverr. So if you go on Fiverr and quickly type in SEO article, you see some offers from some users. I will link the Fiverr links down below, so make sure you check the description. So $15, 30 days for the first month is $450. This is another thing that you need to have. The other way to get traffic is paid traffic. This is the second way to get traffic. Paid traffic. What is the main thing people use? Facebook and AdWords. There's a lot of other options. Traffic Junkie, if you have some weird cosmetics. A lot of options there. Buy and sell ads and other platforms. But Facebook and AdWords are the main ones. I will develop strategies for Facebook and AdWords for you guys in one of my next videos. But to have that, you also need the programmer who's doing your website to also get you the Facebook pixel in order to get retargeting, which means marketing to people who already visited your website. So this is the basic projection of what you need to start your business. And this does not include your product costs and so on. So far we have 450 with 1,000 and 500. This is 1,950 plus $300, $2,250 so far to have a running website that is SEO'd and everything. If you want a live chat agent, that's an additional $100 per day. If you want a 24/7 support from some company, my company can offer that at a little bit more expensive rate. So if you want that, you can maybe get in touch with me in the comment section down below, or check my email at the business inquiries, because my websites have live chat options and we're 24/7, even on holidays. This might not be that important for you when you start out, because you want to have the lowest cost as possible with the highest traffic coming, because the more traffic you have, the more conversions you have. So this is the basic thing you need to do when you're developing a business plan. You know, when I was around 14, 15 years old, I had a business plan. I wanted to get an aquarium and get some fish in them. So what happened was, before I started the whole project, and by the way, I didn't start it, and you'll see why. Before I started the whole project, I went to different zoo shops and told them, if I get you some fishes, will you buy them for me? They said, no, we won't. If they said yes, I was instantly gonna buy an aquarium, calculate my cost, calculate my profit, and do it. But that didn't happen. So what I did, I went to an actual animal marketplace, and I went to the people who were selling fishes for aquariums. And what I did was, I got myself some hot chocolate and counted how many fish they sold per hour and for the whole shift. So I stayed there for around 4 hours, which was around from 8 to 12 or something. The market was open, so I could see how much revenue they do. You need to do that. If you want a shoe store, to go to the place that is similar to the one you want to open in, and calculate how much shoes how much people entered, how many people were converted into sales, and so on. This is the basic plan. I will continue with different marketing strategies, email marketing, paid traffic, SEO in the next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us on the journey. I'm here to help you. A video a day keeps the doctor away. Bye.